Hello there, first graders. Last time we met together, we worked on the number 130. Today we're going to work on the number 140. You need your number corner workbook and one pencil. Go ahead and pause the video until you have the materials you need. All right, friends, we're going to go ahead and continue in our workbook on page 62. If you don't have that page available right now, go ahead and pause the video, find page 62 and a pencil, and meet me back here. Today we're talking about the 14th decade day. It says Tad took 13 leaps and reached 130. We're going to count by tens to 130, and then we're going to count by ones to get up to the number 140. Counting by tens, count with me out loud. Ready, set, count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Keep going. 110, 120, 130. We're going to count on from 130. Put 130 in your head and count on out loud with me. 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. We're going to be tracing these numbers. Go ahead and trace them on your own and pause the video until you're done tracing. I'm going to go ahead and trace mine. You go ahead and trace yours. Again, if I reach the end before you do, I want you to pause the video. I want you to finish your tracing, and then we're going to say all those numbers together. I'm about halfway done. I'm doing my best to make sure that my numbers stay between those black lines. I'm using that dotted line as the halfway point, so I know exactly how to make my numbers. All right, I'm at the end. If you need more time, pause the video. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and read. Please read these numbers out loud with me. Ready? 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135. Oh, I made the wrong number there. 135, 136, 137, 138, 139. The question says, what number comes after 139? You could look right here. What number comes next? Write it on the line. Did you write the number 140? I bet you did. Question 4 and 5 are a little bit tricky, so listen to the directions. It says write the numbers that are 10 more than these numbers. So I'm thinking 10 more than the number 120. Ooh, that's an easy one. We worked on that one yesterday. 120, the next number by tens would be 130. I'm done with that one. I'm going to cross it out. How about 107? What would be 10 more than 107? Remember, we have to add 10 more. We're going to change the tens place. 10 more than 107 is 117. What about 10 more than 122? 10 more. Again, we have to change the tens place. We're adding one set of 10. It would be 132. 122, 132. And the last one, ooh, this is the hardest one. They give you the number 103. What would be 10 more? If I'm not sure, I could use my fingers. This one I'm going to use my fingers for. I'm going to put 103 in my head and I'm going to count on with my fingers. 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, I put 10 fingers up. I got the answer 113. I bet you already knew that. Question 5 says write the numbers that are 10 less than these numbers. So now we're doing 10 less. We have to take away 10 from the tens place. Our first number is 140. If I'm right here at 140 and I want to take away 10, I'm going to go backwards 10 to 130. 10 less would be 130. What about 109? That's a really tricky one. I'm going to use my fingers to help me on that one. I'm going to put 109 in my head and I'm going to count backwards 10 times. 109, 108, 107, 106, 105, 104, 103, 102, 101, 199. I put 10 fingers out. I subtracted 10 times. My answer was 99. The next number is 95. Again, I'm going down. So I need to take away one group of 10 from 95 to get 85. The last one is the number 126. Again, friends, I'm looking at the tens place. I need to take away one set of 10 to get to 116. If you need more time to complete this page, go ahead and pause the video. Otherwise, friends, tomorrow we get to start some brand new activities using the 120 charts in our workbook. I know you're going to think they're fun. See you tomorrow.